gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Surprise Sunday, and on this video, I have for you the Truewants Mystery Bag Volume 5. Now, every single volume up until this one, there was like a giveaway as to what was in the bag. But there was nothing on this one. Like it would say mystery bag, backpack, and more. So you knew you were getting a backpack. And then the other one was like a coin purse and more. So you knew what was coming in the bag, at least one of the items. This one literally just said mystery bag. And that's it. I have no idea what is in this thing because I don't watch spoilers. I don't watch anybody else's videos because I like to be surprised. So I have no idea what's in this thing. I'm really anxious to see what's in it. It was $22.99, including shipping. So without further ado, let's see what I got in this thing. Okay, guys. So here's the bag. It's nice and little, but big things come in small packages. Let's check it out. All right, so I'm going to pop it open here, make sure nothing fell out. Good to go. And it looks like this after I opened it up. Okay, so let's pop her open, guys. I have no idea what's going to happen here. All right, so we'll go ahead and we'll start with this mesh bag right here. Looks to be a really cool coin purse, huh? Ooh, that is cool, I think. Yeah, because it like, look, okay, see it? So then like you pop it open and then... that is. I mean, I don't know what you would put in something that's this small, but it's super cute, that's for sure. Definitely compact. You could put it, you know, in your purse and stuff like that. So that's super cool. That's really nice. Okay, so let's jump into this next one here. Ooh, okay. So it's a necklace. Let me take it out of the package because you really can't see it like that. Okay, it's one of those necklaces, and I do have one of these already. It's just that my cord is brown, and this cord is gray. So I do have the exact same necklace, just in a different color, but I absolutely love it. Super pretty. Alrighty doody. Let's see what else we got. Okay, I did get one of these in my last knit bag, and it's very cool. I haven't used it yet, but I don't know that I need two of them. So here it is out of the thing. So I may pass this off to like my mom or something like that, but it's like a magnifying glass, which is really cool. I mean, that would definitely come in handy, and my mom might like to have that. So I might pass that along to her. And then ooh, how cute. Okay, so we have a really cute headband. It's like a handkerchief style headband. Look at how cute that would look with this. Oh my gosh, if I would have known this was in there, I would have totally put this on with this outfit. That is so cute. I absolutely love it. And I'm a headband girl, obviously. All right, super cute. And then the last thing in here is biocellulose sheet mask. By when? It says 10 p.m. So I guess you're supposed to do this 10 p.m. Guys, most of the time I'm asleep by then. I mean, I get a couple hours of sleep and then I get up like in the middle of the night and I start working on other projects. So yeah, my sleep schedule's all over the place. But when your skin feels tired, find comfort with when 10 p.m. Okay, that's cool. So that's the last thing in there. I do use sheet mask. I just don't do the mask Mondays. I just don't feel comfortable getting on camera with no makeup on, and nobody's watching my videos as it is. So if I did that, it would just completely tank my channel. I'm just saying. So there you go, guys. I got the mask. Let's hold that up. The mask. I got this super cute headband. Pretty awesome. Then I got a necklace, which is super cute as well. And then this super cute little coin purse. It's like a leather coin purse. I don't know if it says anything on the inside about being like, yep, genuine leather right there on the inside. I hope I can zoom in so that you guys can see that. Super cute. I'm gonna have to watch her video to see exactly what this is used for, but it's absolutely adorable. So this was a super cute bag. Again, I believe I'll pop it up on the screen if I'm wrong, but I believe I paid $22.99 for this, including shipping. So if you guys want to get one, I will link everything in the description box below. It is improvinglifestyles.com. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? Ow, what did I step on? Ouch. Dude. I don't know. I must have dropped something. I stepped on it. Ow. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Surprise Sunday, and on this video, I have for you the Truewants Mystery Bag, Volume 5. Drew a total blank, guys. Wow. Okay.